Those of you who've used the floor washing machines, you will know that if you don't remove and dry the brush roll after it's self-cleaning, it will smell the next time you use it. Today we are going to unbox the Redroad new floor washer, the Redroad W13. Upon opening the box, you will see a manual, HEPA filter, a cleaning brush, and a collector for HEPA and cleaning brush, a roller brush replacement, and a collector for putting these two roller brushes, a control holder, a box for collecting water, a charging base station, and a main unit. Now we can put this control holder into this main unit. The clean water tank designed on top of the roller brush cover has a 700 ml capacity. This design not only allows more clean water storage, but also makes room for a 900 ml wastewater tank. It also comes with a removable 4200 mAh large capacity battery, offering up to 40 minutes of continuous operation. Additionally, there's a self-cleaning base, and this metal stripe on the base must be for drying the roller brush. Once you've connected the roller brush and HEPA holders, all the components can be set up. The main unit has a beautiful ambient light on top, displaying the machine's battery status. The unit's exterior lines are smooth, and the material looks very high quality. Once turned on, the top screen displays all the machine's statuses: gear, battery life, operating status, and 4 arrow indicators. Redroad W13 has 3 adjustable settings: Auto, Max, and vacuum modes. It can dry the roller brush after one touch self-cleaning. Okay, that's it for today's Redroad W13 unboxing and review. All in all, the Redroad W13 is a high-performance and cost-effective floor washer that I recommend for purchase. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!